probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Good morning, everyone. How are you? How is everybody doing? So I'm just waking up late because we even got the news late, of course. So y'all know today is for I'm just going to attend my first camp. If you on my Snapchat, you already know that. So it's just morning. Can you guys see me? Let me just do like this. Right? So it's 10:33 and this is when I'm waking up. I'm like trying to park. I don't know what to park, but I asked my friend what to park and she was like, okay, you just refer to my list. So I'm thinking of just parking some little thing because we're going to be spending there like for 4 days. So nothing much, and yeah, I'm just woke up, prepare everything. I wash into my dreadlocks, and yeah, I hope to vlog this thingy the whole I'm really excited for this experience because as a student, so make sure you subscribe, like, share, and also comment, and yeah, let's get into it. So you guys, I'm really packing so umva nabuze ikintu ndibushyire niba ndibushyiremo muri bag yanjye niba nshyiramo mu gakesi I don't know what I'm going to be using kandi bwa tatugiye saa kandi abanga saa 9 so rero ngiye kubereka imyenda package kundi iminsi ingahe ni iminsi so na bintu byinshi. So hano hari my watch, of course ndaza kuyijyana, amavuta mu mutwe, ayo mu maso, Nivea, right, parfum zanjye, lotion, donkingi niza dreads, hamwe tripod imeze nawe nayisiga. So I'm thinking of kwambara iyi cyangwa se iyi ko sinzi niba ari bwambara iyi nabyo nzi byanancanza. So iyi ngiyi ni outfit yo ku munsi wa mbere, umunsi wa kabiri, umunsi wa gatatu, sibyo, umunsi wa kane niyo ngenda nambaye. So ibi ngibi ni byo kurarana, amapinjama hamwe na bonete mu mutwe, eswime, hama n'agasume ku maso. So urebye nibyo tugiye kuzana case kubera ko umva I'm thinking of tuzane case dore ngiyi. So mbariyo njyana we cyangwa njyana kubaha gatoya ako niko ngiye kujyana kuko karabaye, right? So katuzane dushyiremo and yeah, so you guys nanjye abantu
some free cars. I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to silence how this shit goes? It's sarcasm, by the way. You wanna be my hero? You won't even do the hell. This shit don't add up. You don't even know the man.
So you guys, baje gupakinga bimwe as you can see, that's like a small bag, and ibingi bisigaye. So yeah, na bag na my PC is there, so kandi mbashyire hano, sibyo? Simple. Simple, like Karinka, simple. So you guys, so as you can see, I'm done. So I'm going to shower, prepare myself, and yeah, I get going. So I'm coming to you. That's my small case. Yeah. Cheers to us. So guys, tala, I'm done. We're going. Look at this. Hey. When you give me commenting, go. It's perfect. Abakagame and nakangandi hano n'isaha itabara ariko naza kunyura abantu bashema kabuye, and hairstyle perfect, everything good. Look what I meant. So playing that, I reached there safely, and I hope you're having a good day as well. So let me keep going, and yeah, bye.
Niggas said they get the buck. Being free, but we run dirty. Flying with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot that shot, Stephen Curry. Talk a bitch, niggas show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. She like Stacey, why you hurt me? Took him down off the Yorkie. When you give me put that dick all up my backside. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy on his back ride. Little bitch, I'm from the other side. If you see me, you tryna see what's up. Ain't wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stop.
Niko nkora ngo hari ibiki n'ibiki.
Content uri gukora y'ibi iki gikorwa wasabe nyine bagushyira.
Hatana.
Sobanura.
Ndababwira ati tuje muri ntuza. My God. Kandi ku vloginga. twicare
I
hano.
might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together. You must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me do some magic and act like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You bitty, and I'll be there.
nk'ibisanzwe I'm going to find for the bathroom, washroom. Anyway, so hariya ninjemo hano. So okay, look who is in the camp. Just going to, I see it's beautiful and yeah, I love the way it's customized. It's beautiful and I'm really excited. So this is the bathroom. I love this. You see me? So, can I wash my... Yeah, let me just wash my...
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Hey, you back and I nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm living my bands. I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, you just wanna walk. If I was busy, I'd be a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. Damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Keep it a buck. It's too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Never get me wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like blonde with a big ass butt. Yeah, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in